Ever pondered the enigmatic connection between the law of attraction and a solar eclipse? Intriguing, isn't it? As the moon cloaks the sun, casting an ethereal shadow over the earth, could this cosmic ballet amplify the power of your intentions and desires? Enter Dolores Cannon, a name synonymous with metaphysical exploration and spiritual awakening. A past life regressionist and hypnotherapist, Cannon spent over 4 decades plumbing the depths of the human psyche, unlocking secrets of the universe that most of us can only dream of understanding. Cannon's journey began with her curiosity about reincarnation, leading her to develop quantum healing hypnosis technique, a method that allowed her clients to access their past lives. However, her teachings evolved into something far more profound. She started to explore a concept that has since become a cornerstone of many spiritual practices: the law of attraction. The law of attraction, according to Cannon, is not just an abstract concept, it's a universal principle, a cosmic law as real and as tangible as the law of gravity. It's the idea that we're like magnets, attracting into our lives the experiences, people, and even the material possessions that match our thoughts and feelings. Cannon believed that our thoughts are incredibly potent, capable of shaping our reality. She taught that if we focus our energy on positive thoughts, we draw positive experiences into our lives. On the other hand, if we dwell on negativity, we attract negative circumstances. But what about the solar eclipse, you ask? Well, according to Cannon, cosmic events like solar eclipses serve as energetic gateways. They're times of heightened energy when the universe is more receptive to our thoughts and intentions. They're like a supercharged version of the law of attraction. Think of it as a cosmic amplifier, turning up the volume on our desires and intentions. A solar eclipse, in this context, is a powerful time to manifest our dreams and aspirations. It's a time to let go of the old, to make way for the new. Cannon's teachings remind us that we're not just passive observers in this universe. We're active participants, co-creators of our reality. We hold the power to shape our lives, to attract the experiences we desire. And when we align our intentions with the energy of cosmic events, like a solar eclipse, we tap into a power that is truly beyond our comprehension. In conclusion, Dolores Cannon's exploration of the law of attraction gives us an empowering perspective on our role in the universe. The cosmos is not a random, chaotic place. It's a beautifully orchestrated symphony, and we're all playing our part. Our thoughts and feelings are not just ephemeral wisps of consciousness. They're powerful forces capable of shaping our reality. And when it comes to cosmic events like a solar eclipse, we're not just spectators, we're participants, able to harness the amplified energy to manifest our dreams and desires. It's a potent reminder that we're more powerful than we realize, and that the universe always responds to our intentions. So the next time you witness the sun cloaked by the moon, remember, it's not just an astronomical spectacle. It's an opportunity to manifest your dreams 100 times faster.